So how's the place looking? Is it safe enough for us to stay? If we can?
It's pretty amazing what they've done with this dairy, but let's see what it takes to secure this fence before drawing any conclusions.
I can't wait until everyone's out here. Everyone besides Larry.
Why the hell did you have to tell him I thought he was a racist? As if tensions weren't high enough.
Sorry, man. It popped out. I mean, you did admit it right to his face.
Lässt ein Stück Scheiße, irgendwie kriegen wir das schon hin. Ich versuche zumindest.
That guy's a piece of shit anyway.
Relax. You're not making things any better riling him up.
Oh doch.
There's one.
Mit einem Pfeil im...
Ugh. Lee, it's dead.
Ja, das gesehen, ja.
Andy said when this fence is working, the walkers go up like a tree branch on a power line. If those lights are out, that means the fence is off, right?
It better be.
Who do you think he was?
Vielleicht ein Vorarbeit wenigstens. Ist einer von uns.
At least it's not one of us.
One of
The
us.
St. John boys are using this guy for target practice?
Poor guy.
I don't know what got him first, the arrow or the fence. Either way, hope he was already dead.
Gaan we dan, hè?
Disgusting.
Jetzt haben wir einen Pfeil. So, jetzt tun wir den auch drüber rühren. Da.
Come on. I'm sure there's still a few more.
Once this fence is patched up, this place will be a fortress. God, can you imagine not having to worry about the walkers anymore?
Und ich beziehe, dass kein Sex über... Ja, ist so.
Yeah, well, it's useless without gas. We might need food, but the St. John's need gas, too.
Not many drivers these days, Lee. We could scrounge up a year's worth of gas, easy. So what's your take on the brothers? They seem to have this place tied down pretty well.
Was soll das heißen? Sie zögern und vermeidbar aus. Wir können diesen Ort...
These folks are just delaying the inevitable. This place is gonna fall apart, just like everywhere else.
Maybe you're right.
There's
Leider.
another one.
I see it.
Boah, ich sehe, dass es am Leben ist. Woo! Ich hacke ihm lieber die Hand ab, beide.
You never get used to the smell, do you?
Nope.
Ja, aber das muss ja auch weg.
I can't stop thinking about dinner. Thanks for the rations earlier. It's not easy eating in front of the kids, but it's all that's keeping me on my feet right now.
Kannst du dich auf die Arbeit, wir werden später fragen. Ich hab auch Hunger.
Hungry too, Mark.
Do you think they're gonna be good for it? Dinner for a whole group of people?
If they've got as much food as they say, I think so.
Oh Scheiße, das
Come
wird
on.
schwer.
I think I see where they're getting in. This one must have knocked it over trying to get through. He's tangled up in there pretty good. Come on, help me get this thing back in place so we can get Mr. Crispy off of here.
I think we'd get better leverage from the other side.
Good idea. Little help here?
Ja, häng's mal. Ich muss auch noch den Knopf finden, den ich drücken kann.
Holy fuck! What just happened?
The fences are on.
Why the hell would he turn the fence on? He knows we're out here.
What the? Get to the gate.
Oh shit!
Jesus!
We had an agreement. Now you're fucked.
Who the fuck is that?
No idea.
Fuck! Now what?
With the fence on, that gate is our only way out.
Ja, man muss irgendwie schieben. Was ist das überhaupt? Shit. Aha, scheiße. Oh, ein Bremsklotz, Mann! Was haben wir da? Ah, das muss rauf. Sonst kratzen wir den ganzen Boden auf.
Come on.
Yes!
If we can reach the gate, we can get through this fence and back to the house.
Da, 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 da. Oh, scheiße. Yo, Mark, bist du okay? Mark! Hey, Mark! Yo, Mark! Mark! Hey! Hoi! Bist du bereit? Jetzt kann einfach den Pfeil rausziehen, aber ich mach's nicht. Haha! Lauf nicht so weit, Mann! So. Oh, Scheiße!
What happened? Shit. It's one of the dead we pushed down earlier. I'm gonna have to move it.
Nein! Das ist ein anderer. Hey, lasst uns mal in Ruhe, Mann. Wir sind da nur am Aufräumen. Schau schon wieder rein, Mann.
Another one? How many of those things did we push down?
Ja. Hey, ich hab's doch gewusst. Der lebt noch. Ja! Stirb! Motherfuck! Ah, wahr, Mann!
Fair.
Wuhu, der kommt uns nach! Komm! Weg hier! Oh!
Let's get out of here.
Gut. Jetzt könnte auch hier kommen.
Lee, what's wrong?
Der rechte Stand stand plötzlich unter Strom.
Electric fence came on. Some people started attacking from the woods, and we got trapped between them and the fence.
Holy shit, are you okay?
I heard Mark yelling. Thought y'all were giving me the all clear. Man, I am real sorry.
Oh, my Lord! What happened to you, sweetheart?
It was those bastards in the woods, Mama.
Yeah, I'll be alright once it's out. But god damn, it hurts.
Hey, y'all.
Mark, oh my God, what happened?
He got shot with an arrow.
Christ, are you gonna be okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I should just pull it out.
Oh, no, honey. Come on. Brenda's got you. Come on inside now. We'll have you all sorted out. Well, you must be the
What
veterinarian.
kind of shit is this?
We ran into some people on the way up here. Bandits, I guess. I think it was them that attacked us.
They gave us a lot of problems in the beginning. Killed a bunch of our farmhands. We were able to get them to stop by making a deal.
You knew about these people?
Food for protection. Not like we had much of a choice, but they did stop hassling us.
God damn it. Carly said this place was locked down tight.
Es ist hier so sicher, wie wir geglaubt haben, dass das du
It
laufst.
was
Ja.
just a fluke thing. You can't stop assuming there aren't bad people out there.
What the hell do you mean a fluke?
It could have happened anywhere. Could have happened to us in the motor inn.
Listen, we may have had an agreement with those people, but we will not stand for this shit.
Ain't no way we're gonna let those sons of bitches get away with this.
You know where these assholes are?
They're hard to pin down, but I think I know where at least one of their camps are. When you're ready to go scope out that bandit camp, come find us.
Bandits? Are you serious? This place isn't safe. We can't stay here.
Not safe. This place is a hell of a lot safer than that motor inn. I think all of us and our guns can handle a couple of punks with bows and arrows. What we need to do is find a way to get our whole group out here to stay. Take this place over if we have to.
Whoa, cool your jets there, Rambo. These are nice people. Let's not do anything to get us thrown out before we eat.
I'm gonna head out and help Dan deal with these bandits. You guys should try to make friends with Andy and Brenda while I'm gone.
Well, that's easy. I got charm coming out of my ass.
Yeah, that's real charming, Dad.
Where's Ben and Carly?
Since Carly and Ben ate some of the food on the way to get us, she volunteered to stay behind and watch the motor inn until we get back.
Hey, I remember seeing kids in your group, so I went ahead and fixed that swing while you were out. I hope you kids like swings.
A swing! I love swings! Just like at my treehouse! Come on, Doc!
Why don't you kids go and play on the swing, huh?
Yeah!
Thanks.
Anytime. We're looking out for you.